Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up mentions in the Pinterest app. First, you have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then in the profile menu it opens up like this. From here we go into social permissions, scroll down, and here we find mentions. And here we can set who can mention us in a comment. It's either anyone on Pinterest, only people you follow, or you can turn this off and nobody can mention you on the app. So that's basically how you do it. It's very simple. Just inside social permissions, you can do it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.